Hello everyone, this is CA Sandeep Modi. In this lecture, we are going to learn if statement with and or, and how to put multiple if statement. So let's start the topic of the day. Here we have a condition to put that bonus will only be given if the salary is below 100 or equal to 100. So here we will put if statement. If statement takes three arguments. First is the logic. Logic stands like this. This should be less than or equal to 100. This is the test. If the test is true, as in logic is true, value should be yes. We are putting in yes in inverted commas because whenever we are putting a text in the formula, it should be in inverted commas. Two values over, comma. Now we are putting a false value. If it's no, again we are putting no in inverted comma. As you can see, this is equal to 100, that's why we are getting an yes. This is more than 100, so 300 we are getting. Here if it's 99, then also we are getting yes. Here as you can see, this was the simple if statement with single condition. Now let's use if statement with and statement. So logic we are going to build is bonus will only be given if the salary is below 100 or equal to 100 and in Mumbai. Here things are hidden. As you can see, here two conditions we have to fulfill. First, salary should be below 100 or equal to 100. Second is that place should be Mumbai. If statement, bracket open. Now one more bracket open for and statement. With and we can use two conditions together. First condition is that C8 should be smaller than or equal to 100. This is our first logic. Second logic is this value should be equal to Mumbai. Here, that's why I am writing Mumbai in inverted commas. And now our logic test is over. So, AND statement gives us the ability to put two logics together. If both the answers are true, then what value if statement should give? It's an yes. If both the statements are wrong, it will give us no. Enter. Yeah, one more bracket will come and then enter. Yeah, as you can see, this is Mumbai and 50. That's why it's coming yes. Here it's 99 and Delhi. It's below 100, but places is not Mumbai. That's why it's coming no. Now let's do an if statement with or. Bonus will only be given if the salary is below 100 or equal to 100 or places in Mumbai. Now we have two conditions. If statement, bracket open, or statement, bracket open. First logic is this should be greater than or equal to 100. This is the first logic. Second logic is this equal to Mumbai. Yo, let me put Mumbai in inverted comma. Close the bracket. This is for or statement. Now logic test is over. Now if the any one of the two logics is true, we will get an yes. If both the logics are false, we will get no and enter. As you can see, here we are getting a yes. Here one condition is only fulfilled. Then also we are getting an yes. Here both the conditions should be fulfilled. Then only we would get an yes. So this is the difference between and or and how to use if statement with and an or statement. You can, I have just shown two conditions. You can use more than two conditions as per your requirements. Now let's move ahead with how to use multiple if statements. Let me hide it. Idiot. Now the condition which we have to find is that percentage of bonus we will be given depending on the salary. For example, if the salary is above 300, we will give him 45 rupees. If it's between 200 to 300, we will give him 30. If it's between 100 to 200, we will give him 20. If it's between 100 to 0 to 100, we will give him 10. So this formula which I am using is for 2016 and above. For 2013 and older version, I will show you the formula. Give me later in the video. So here we will use if else statement. First logic is that this amount should be greater than or equal to 300. If it's greater than or equal to 300, we should get answer 45. If it's greater than or equal to 200, we will get 30. If it's greater than or equal to 100, we should get 20. Now last part, this amount, if it's lower than 100, here as you can see, I am putting C9 lower than 100. We should get 10, and this how we will get all the formulas. Bonus amount. This formula was 2016 and above version. Now let me show you the formula for 2013 and below version of Excel. If you want me to find income tax rates also with if statements, please write in the comment box. I will make video on that also. Now let's find the percentage of bonus to be given with the formula for 2013 and below. So the logic stands like this. We will use here multiple if statement. First if statement is, let me hide it, hide this, hide if statement. This is first statement, this equal to or greater than 300. If it's true, we should get 45. If it's false, we will again start a if statement. If statement, here we will again check the value greater than or equal to 200. If it's true, we will get 30. If it's false, we will put one more if statement. Now in final if statement, we will put C9 greater than or equal to 100. If it's true, we should give 20 rupees. If it's not, we will put 10 rupees. This is first we look if statement closing bracket, second and third, because we have used 3 if statements. As you can see, we got the same answer. So this was all about if statement with and or and how to put multiple if statements together. If you want me to find the income tax values also with if statement, please mention in the description box. Thank you for today. Happy learning.